ألف. Say it again. ألف. باء. باء. Say it again. باء. تاء. تاء. ثاء. ثاء. جيم. جيم. Repeat it. جيم. حاء. حاء. Say it again. حاء. خاء. خاء. Let's start with the group of letters ba, ta, and tha. As you can see, these three letters share the same base shape. The only difference is in the dots. Ba has one dot below, ta has two dots above, and tha has three dots above. In Arabic, we write from right to left. To draw the base shape, start on the right side with a small curved line going slightly down, like a little smile. Then continue with a short straight line to the left. Now let's see their isolated form. We start with a small curved line, then a straight line, then a small curved line, and one dot below. Same thing for the letter ta and tha. But ta has two dots above and tha has three dots above. Now let's see their form at the beginning of the word. We start with a small curved line, then a straight line to connect with the letter after it, and then we add the dots. In the middle of the word, we start with a straight line to connect with the letter before, and then a small curved line, and then a straight line to connect with the letter after, and then we add the dots. At the end of the word is almost like the isolated form, but we add a straight line before to connect with the letter before, and then we add the dots. Now moving to the group of letters Jim, Ha, Kha. These three letters also share the same base shape. The only difference is the dots. We write it from right to left, then we add the dots. First, draw a small eyebrow, a short curved line from left to right above the writing line. Next, from the right end of the eyebrow, draw a half circle that goes under the writing line and curves back up to the left side. This makes the open ball shape that all three letters share. Now let's see their different forms depending on their position in the word. This is their isolated form. Kha has one dot above, Ha has no dot, and Jim has one dot below. This is their form at the beginning of the word, and this is their form in the middle of the word, with one straight line before and one straight line after to connect with the letters. This is their form at the end of the word.